Nah, me 10 years ago, look at me now, like...
For sure, I can't say that I should have been a parent, but but
I was definitely
what I'm referring to really is the time today of being a parent and having a child, and the climate and the atmosphere that is today, and where everything is and where everyone is, where everyone's minds are, and where people are trying to go.
Yeah, if everything stayed the same and 10 years ago you had a kid and then you be here now with the kid, then it would be kind of cool.
You know what I mean?
Just to have, like, you know, build up somebody to be able to help make a change.
Maneuver through this too. But to do that now is not, I'm not, you know, that doesn't put a stop on that for me. But it's just that thought, I was like, wow, it's crazy that I had that thought now. That I really wouldn't have minded, you know what I'm saying?